Hi friend, this is our solar inverter, model number HBPV. The power is 5.5 kilowatts with mppt 100 amps. Now let's see here. This left side is all the connection for the AC port. This is the AC input and this is the AC output. This one is the ground line and this one is the fire line. This one is the zero line. Also for the AC output, we have fire line, zero line. And this one is the input breaker for protect. And let's come here. This is the battery injection, positive and negative. The voltage is from 44 to 65. And let's come here. This is the PV connection port. PV positive and PV negative. The voltage is from 120 to 450. And let's see the right side. This one is the turn on and off button for the inverter control. And the left side is the communication port for we have RS232, the communication port for RS232, and we can also connect the Wi-Fi device for this remote control.